niagweta muno family yake na ciana ciake. That is human resource. Yes. No tugajilia go shift issue siku ndehe ko generalize na kuigiria maundu ma matagirire. We are going wrong.
Aterere dagitari ni heka udunyo ya waruga. Dagitari Richard Saningo. Dako ujaterere. Taru zirikari ya zirikari ikitweka dagitari nyare hoya. Nasi nyare hoya. Kwena dawa. Utuka kwena zena todo dagitari cia private. Itingota gothoda kabesha. Niwetikiti onyondo ore twira kwena ngaragu na kurato mota bilioni gana ya
kwa matareiro gudi
alipara we mifango ya wikare ugitango giki nibo biashara cioneke.
And that is what the first world is doing. Nejikarete muno murimo
tatuhekere kano ya murimo.
In the developed world, private na public niyo njega. Yes. The president goes to a public hospital. The governor goes to the public hospital. The Europe, Canada, America. I've stayed in both. Public services are much better. Brain drain in Orona, Kenya, kana Malawi, kana Tanzania, kana Uganda, Madhiara, all these countries. Niki, Madhiara, Zeniwa, public.
Kuko private?
No.
Kuko agere kwa leo deliberate ofageto wage kurutawera.
The constitution enori area in place. It was supposed to improve all sectors such that Kibaki would go to Kenyatta for treatment. Exactly. Rather than going to Nairobi Hospital. That's what I'm saying. Back to, although my friend Nerauga differently, he's one case, a different case, which God bless you. No, really. Then you are governance to okoro to the public service commissioner in Kenya to in a hierarchy. There are approvals from every cadre. Devolution neo kireniki. Together to a proper distribution of resources
na functions.
Together a glove ya nurse tikage. Na ilitokana na wapi?
Na kule rogo.
Juu kabisa. No rere. Okoro public funds ni shirajia utuweka embezzled up there. As it comes down inadidimia kidogo jenga kuona a good machine and good remuneration in hospital, but 50 other hospitals don't have anything else. What is the song?
Taru maiko na oni oto ado agutumaona taru tanyire general hospital doga hiki maika maingi
yani ne kiro kubu
yo yekiro kukulitene yo ndawira na no eka kwa muduriti ngige maragwa ne kwega guko getiriri kwina bia ira ishiragirwa ate thirikari ya national ile igagera tondu kujigwa governance ingi makiuga kigero ko ire ino amatura guko getiriri maiko benja icio ko ciikuria governor agaga gucitware wira uria wagirire niki ageka maundu maria mangi tondu igwa nasi makiuga ate ona benja ona goro amechara ndikinyaga itikinyaga
na umenya atiriri uria the public marara karoro riu na marauga ati nurses ni mara, you know, they are inhuman and all that. One nurse is probably is responsible for about 500 people in Kenya.
Nurse umwe.
One policeman is probably into 200 or 300 people. 200 people.
So nasi alipo
juu kabisa
na ena communicable diseases.
Now she's human or he is human. Her frustrations, you work from, I don't know, it's too much work. It's too much.
Tareke todo tu ne maoni. Nego to ikerie. Todo to ali gida to ali gada no ate to. To ali gada no ate.
Geta ko kebure.
To ali gada no ate kwena imenyidia sia wojo. Crown murige. Akauga issues of doctors and nurses strikes must be addressed keenly and seriously the way government addresses issues concerning teachers. Mwangi Mike MK
I think doctors and nurses' work is more of calling and not just a normal profession. They should know they are dealing with saving lives, and any life lost because of their interruption would be forgiven. Michael Torioria. Who would take it?
The industrial action won't be forgiven. They will answer the God, the answer of God.
Directed, the government. We are a human first. Yes, they should be paid, but not at the expense of losing lives.
Esau Kioni Jr. Kauga, morning. Hope you had a great weekend. We did. Doctors, nurses, or even soldiers are professionals that purely are not about monetary value, but service delivery, of which it's all about calling. It's so unfortunate for them to go on strike at the expense of common Mwananchi, who depends on the government facilities for healthcare. Akauga, taking into consideration, they have conflict of interest by owning private facilities, which is unethical, stroke, unprofessional. Joe Modia.
Niwega nurses maheo besha todo nimautaga wira mwega no haria tukinyite riu gucenjetie muno uhoro wa kurigitana ti uria wari tene ati niritana nowadays ni biashara todo o mundu wothe na kliniki yake kana chemist wonaga percentage nene mekirire ciao gukira thibitari cia muingi ona riu magomete me kliniki-ini ciao ngai nona
yeah. Okay, good.
Na by the way, MCU we ni wasa
Joe Modia ni uka dake ati
uka
ugyo ureto kagumu kagumu Josh akauga dagitari mariho ni haki yao.
Yes.
Zipi Jerry akauga hello Mike Kimure tuko tuned, waambie ninaombea wagonjwa wote wapone, madaktari wote wakose kazi waende nyumbani. Na Zipi nemuge domo gusemo kulino baze ni dona bisa yake
no dio kana muroti
arauga rahoera adu de arwaru mahone aligitani na madaktari mainuke
kukodoria
na hope Zipi nitwara gado military
mete eka ni gushoka ino ya mitini da ati nurses karaja tamajoririe dogo yao na CRC yana atia SRC yana
mo gukoro mu gitwira ati relationship yanyu na SRC yana atia just
the Kenyan doctors have never known what they want. Is because as Kenyans we know you are paid our money, so is it ethical to leave people to die just because of money?
Raja wange donaka kawagi dhurai 44 me tuned mono. These nurses are too much. How can somebody who have the knowledge to save someone else's life watch them dying? Let nurses know that God is watching them. Money can buy life. Money can't buy life, rather. My advice to them, let the nurses leaders deal with government on payment issues, and other nurses go back to his work very quickly. Tukaigira mwenole ogetwa kola Frank akauga nematige urusio menaguo todo nematumete mioyo meige yore the Frank wa KBB mwale waga bilo.
Nurses deserve to be paid even double of what they are demanding. But surely, what's wrong with our county government? My heart is bleeding for negligence of our county government. Modeni egotura modeni tomutu na dhibitare. Where are we heading as a society? Huyo mwanamke wa okay, so
no, she's just angry. Todo aleli. Newe marauga, you know. But I'm just thinking, no kuibora igua, we morala kile. Nema odolia marala.
We hakiwa wagadhiro ona wene ate. Na hasho ni mpedamani.
Mpedamani akauga hai Mike Nderito ni haki yao kulipwa, but mbona wanagoma wakijua kuna wagonjwa hospitalini? Ni mata itire mioyo ya ado fast. Wainana Sheikh akauga mugomo wa mari gitari ni utonyetio ikioteti na kuoguo thirikari ni yethe kihonia kia naihenya. Senior Sergeant Mwenethege.
Morning team Kimure. Nurses nemare tha kwe todo nie di geimagine nyona morwaru agethine kademotiki. Crown Murege
na kia kwa Ministry ya Health evatie isokyo with national government to the county wamefail rains kama wakaga morning kimure gwesiria ni murali na weekend jega santi sana gukuri muru no kaheho karusine ati woni wako ni ati Manasseh ni mabatie kunegerwo haki yao todo ni marutaga wira mwega muno akauga ati no riri thina wao ni ati ni matiganeirie arwaru mehatikaine in the name of Mugomo. That's so sad. Kai mata koragwo natha cia musiari sorry
na lewe maikoto kuria tiriri kana mena ekuto prero ati na magitiganiria arwaruri indo iria imateithagiriria ciku thini wa thibitari wakorone ugo moroiga gloves ko roa shida no roa environment ni hana ate ile majoro maundu matokwaria ndari
na kehonia tuko tugicaria kehonia ni kiriko tuikiria nini tugie na imenyithia cia wonjoria cira nona nitugucoka kahinda gatari so